little meal. You come home from work and you're in a hurry and you just want to eat. And we try to eat by a certain time every day. So quick, easy meals if we have a lot of stuff that's already like meal prepped and ready to go. This quick veggie spaghetti is super fast and it's good. And then you have leftovers for the next day for lunch if you make enough, and I suggest that you do. So it's only a few simple ingredients. So I'm going to turn our pan on here, and we water saute everything. So I'm going to put some water in this pan. In this pan, I'm already starting to boil some water for the pasta. And in this guy, I'm going to put one small onion. Run away there. I have these mats so I can take the food to the pan, but I'll never do that. So here we go. And I have 3 cloves of garlic. And I have the jarlic, so the diced up garlic in the jar, but I have this fresh and I'm not in that big of a hurry that I can't use the real stuff here. And we'll just do 2 at a time. Get them smashed and put in the pan. Now you can put anything in here. We put zucchini a lot of times, or bell peppers are good. I put spinach and whatnot in here before too, and that's good. But today we're just going to use the canned mushrooms, the onion, the garlic, the jarred sauce, maybe some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. We're just going to put it over some regular spaghetti pasta.
Everything's organic, right? You normally...
Yeah, everything is organic. Everything we use is organic. So our mushrooms are organic. The pasta sauce is organic. The pasta is whole wheat organic pasta. The onions are organic and the garlic's organic. And the water's from the tap. So it could be organic. We're on an island. It's good water. So I've dropped the pasta in the water. I should have checked the time so you can see how fast this goes, but you'll be able to tell pretty much from the video that this is a super fast dinner. So I have the onion sauteing here. Pasta's going for it all over the place here. So I'm going to throw the mushrooms in now. The onions and the garlic have been going for a while. So 2 cans of mushrooms. They're pretty small. We all know mushrooms are good for us. We got to eat our mushrooms. So I'm going to throw in some Italian seasoning. My recent raised Sydney, Montana Italian seasoning. Put that in there. The mushrooms and the onions and the peppers. Still trying to figure out the stove too. I got stuff goes everywhere. But. So we've added the pasta sauce. So the onions, the garlic, and the mushrooms. And I'm going to grab a little cover because we know how pasta sauce likes to pop all over the place. We want everything to get good and combined. Pasta's still going here. No, not quite. That shouldn't take too much longer. Excuse my pajamas. Nobody wants to wear jeans and boots all day. We're waiting for everything to kind of cook and the noodles to get al dente. I'm going to make some vegan Parmesan. So, super easy to make. Just throw some raw cashews in the cup of a little what do you call this? The magic bullet here with some nutritional yeast. This is a 1/4 cup measure. We'll probably put a 1/4 cup of that in there because that looks about right with the cashews. We'll see once we start blending it up. We are going to add some salt to this as well. That's kind of the key. So nutritional yeast, aside from being good for you, has a cheesy kind of taste. I don't know. I think it's got a taste all its own. I'm not sure if it's cheesy or what it is, but I don't know. Throw it in here. We're gonna get this guy going real fast. And there you have it, vegan Parmesan. You can taste it, see if you need to add more nutritional yeast or salt or whatever. You can add pepper to this. You can add whatever you want to it, really, but that's the basic vegan Parmesan. I do like to add some parsley occasionally, and that's good in here too. So our pasta is all done. So we're gonna grab some of this. Remember, this is the whole wheat pasta. A couple scoops of that in our pasta bowls. And some sauce on top, and then we'll sprinkle some vegan Parmesan. And this is what for dinner on a Monday work night when you're in a hurry and don't want to do a whole lot of cooking. Veggie pasta.